Hi, I'm Jo and I oversee the admissions team here at Coleg Gwent. The role of admissions is to make sure that your application is processed as smoothly as possible and to support you from the point of application right through to enrolment. Once submitted, you can monitor your application through your online account, tracking your application through each stage. Our first task is to check your current or predicted qualifications against any entry criteria for your chosen course. You'll then be made an offer which you'll need to accept. Once you've accepted, your place is secured. At this point, you can download our learner app, CG Connect, where you'll find a whole host of useful information to help you prepare for college and for daily use as a learner. You'll also have access to your own Office 365 account for use throughout your time with us. There's nothing more to do until we invite you to complete enrolment, which usually starts around mid to late August. Of course, we'll keep in touch. And if you haven't already, we encourage everyone to attend one of our popular open days, which you can familiarise yourself with our fantastic facilities, meet our staff and find out more about your course. If you have any questions about your application, the admissions team are here to help. You can call us on 01495 333 777 or email admissions@colegwent.ac.uk. Places fill up fast, so don't forget to apply. We look forward to receiving your application.